Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps your bank information private when shopping online. Take control of your subscriptions and other recurring payments, plus pause and close privacy cards at any time. And get $5 right now to try the service at collision.live/privacy.
Well, our next guest is here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. I'm doing fine. Like, been running around all day with the Collision Conference. Been enjoying really, really good so far. Yeah.
Of course. Can you please introduce yourself for us?
Sure. Yeah. So I'm Alice Mann. I'm the founder of Coinbask. So Coinbask is a decentralized platform to trade baskets of tokenized digital assets. We're currently running on Ethereum blockchain. So we're selling baskets of Ethereum projects, tokens. Yeah.
Okay.
So explain this to our viewers who may not be involved in the digital asset market at all.
Okay, so basically, you could think of it as a crypto ETF, but right now we're utilizing the smart contract and make them into bundles. So, for example, we offer 3 baskets, so they're theme-based. We have stablecoin baskets, exchange theme basket, and the basket rated by top 10 Ethereum coins. So basically, when you buy a basket, that means that you own all the underlying tokens of that basket. So if you trade, if you've been trading in cryptocurrencies, you own your wallet, and you'll see that that symbol, which is the basket symbol on your wallet, and you actually own that smart contract, which hacks the underlying digital assets.
Okay, so it's like it's almost like a bond on top of currency? Is that?
Yeah, you could think of it that way. So essentially, why we're building this is because we think that people are very new to this space, and actually when people want to invest in Ethereum projects, they actually spend a lot of time to take a look which projects to invest in, and they're not really clear on which projects are actually that will not take into a lot of risk.
Okay.
So right now we're trying to make the life easier for people. Yeah. So we curate all these portfolio for them and set them into different baskets, and they are all rated by market cap and also based on reputation. So right now they have like a simpler process, to start investing or start getting into investing in Ethereum token projects.
Okay, so it's an easy way to invest in a variety of projects that are built on top of Ethereum. It's almost like getting into an investment group a little bit, right?
And one thing we're very different from other traditional exchanges is a decentralized exchange, which means we don't really hold any custody of funds. And that actually allows a lot of freedom for people that as long as they have their own Ethereum wallets, they could just directly connect through our exchange, and they could just trade peer-to-peer instantly. So you don't have to wait for these long processes like deposit Bitcoin or any other fiat currencies to centralized exchange, which takes like 10 or 15 days, and even like Bitcoin deposit, it's very it takes time to do that.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so how did you decide that this was the project that you wanted to work on, that this was the product that you needed to do?
Yeah, so basically I myself, I trade cryptocurrency before, and also I'm actually an engineer as well.
Okay.
So I was involved in the space for a while now. I've been to a lot of Ethereum hackathon projects, and I actually built some Ethereum hack applications myself. And I think, so we're building a DEX on 0x actually. So 0x is a shell liquidity network, and we feel that like 0x is a place for us to expand in, and we really like the product that they're offering because it's creating an ecosystem for anyone in the world, like decentralized way. They could actually, get the shell liquidity, like trade anything they want, and as long as you're connected to the network, you could, trade. And that's like, it's more like a vision that I want to, build and give it a shot, contribute to the ecosystem, and that's why I started this project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Who is your ideal customer? Who is it that you're targeting with this?
So right now we are only focusing on retail customers because our platform is designed in a very simple, user-friendly way. So people could just buy and sell within a few clicks, and there's no complicated trade, like the professional trading dashboard. So we cut all those down, but we will offer different streams in the future. But right now we're only focusing on retail customers. We have some we discussed with some crypto exchanges, and they are very interested in our product. So that is like the route for us to go to the the centralized crypto exchanges, to get the customers from them, and have a partnership.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're here as an alpha.
Yes, we're alpha.
So you're fairly early stage. Where are you in your process?
Yeah, so we launched, I found this company about October last year, and then right now I'm building this product full-time, co-founder, and we plan to launch on testnet in the coming up month. We have a demo in our booth. We have a booth today in Collision Conference.
Okay.
Yeah, and then we're planning to launch mainnet after we are done with the compliance issues. Yeah.
Okay. And what were your goals here at Collision?
Yeah, our goals are here is to get more customers, and we got some of the very interesting people that go around, like some crypto funds that are interested in talking to us, and some cryptocurrency exchanges are also interested in our product. So it's very beneficial coming to a big conference like this, and get more traction, get more media attention. Thank you for inviting us here.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So it's great. Like this is like a very big tech scene here in Toronto.
For sure.
And where are you guys based in?
Yeah, right now I incorporate a company here, but we have plans to, really, not launch exchange in some more like crypto-friendly companies. But we will, go back here and serve the Canadian market and potentially the U.S. market.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're focusing on Canada right now.
Yes, like we're talking to Canadian crypto exchange at the moment. Yes.
Very cool. And so, how have those discussions gone so far?
We received some LOIs from them. So they agreed to provide us initial liquidity and market making services. So I think it's a good start for us when we launch. To have our products ready, and then they're also interested to list some of the baskets on their exchange.
Okay. And what does the future hold?
So I think the future will become decentralized in a way, because when you see all these cryptocurrency exchange hacks and in the past year, and all these cryptocurrency exchange also have adopted different solutions, like Binance also building their own DEX. So I think DEX is definitely what other all these crypto exchanges are going to look at and expand their product line. So that's my my view on all these exchanges. And in terms of cryptocurrencies and our company, like I think there's a great potential to grow. Of course, like right now we still have a lot of improvement that we need to do, and a lot of things need to be done. But I believe how the ecosystem is going to help each other, and we're going to contribute to the ecosystem to make it better and make it to be everyone could know crypto and can start investing it. Yeah.
Okay, so this should allow some people who have no experience to feel more comfortable in the space.
Yeah, exactly. I definitely believe that in order to make the space more mature and more friendly, developers or companies need to contribute. Like they need to make more tools so that people could be more accessible, or else it's going to be like this. Because I know like how complicated when you do all these managements on the cryptocurrency wallet, and also it's not like for average user. And well, the goal is to make crypto not like crypto, right? Like it's gonna be like any other product.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
To make it feel a little less
scary.
Yeah, like
more user friendly.
Less in the ether, which is a weird sentence to use talking about Ethereum. Yeah. But less like
mystical.
Yeah, mystical.
Yeah.
That's a good word. And more more like a stock or a bond, a thing that more people understand.
Yeah, I think when I think you can view Bitcoin as like a stock if it'll make your life easier. It's just like it's an asset class that volatile a lot. And then there are solutions like stable coins coming out. So there are a lot of different opportunities in this space for sure.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I always, as an intro, I always explain them as a stock is the market's faith in a company, and crypto is a market's faith in itself.
Yeah.
Which is really, I think, really what it is. It's the value indicates the faith in its own value.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, very cool. If people want to find out more about your platform and what you guys are up to, how can they get that information?
Yeah, so we're launching our beta very soon. So our web address is coinbask.io, and you can sign up by going to coinbask.io/sign-up to get your email address there, and we'll send you information when we launch.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming and talking to us today.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
Absolutely.
Yes, of course.
It's a really, anything in the crypto space is fascinating to me.
Mm-hmm. And relevant.
Yeah. Definitely relevant right now. So it's always interesting to talk to.
My pleasure.
To people who are in that space. So have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.